you tired of renting or living in a condo or a townhouse? This home is the perfect alternative for that. You're next to major highways, public transportation, and it has the cutest downtown. So if you like what you see at 96 Keele Avenue, give me a call today. I would love to show you around this great house.